Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning and happy Saturday. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brennan Libby. Strong to severe storms are still on track this afternoon and this evening. Please stay weather aware and have a backup plan in place in case these storms do come through and you see a warning for your area. Not just that, after the storms pass by, winds will still be very strong. A wind advisory goes into effect this evening and will continue through tonight. We're talking gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. Then for tomorrow, we're a lot cooler. Highs are down to the low 40s. We're breezy with a northwest wind, partly to mostly cloudy skies. So a quiet close to the weekend. Sunday night and Monday, some accumulating snow chances, especially in the south. Some folks picking up 2 to 4 inches. Just one of those weird systems coming through where we see just about everything in the span of 72 hours. Let's talk about today. Slight risk of severe weather for the entire viewing area. And what we're probably looking at most of all is going to be the potential for damaging wind gusts as a line of storms will come through this evening. However, some storms starting around noon may contain some instances of large hail. And with that line of storms, the possibility of a few tornadoes as well. We cannot rule that out with the amount of spin that's going to be in these storms and in the atmosphere. So here is future track. We're going to see some non-severe scattered showers and storms throughout this morning, picking up some beneficial rainfall that comes off of this warm front that's making its way in. Once that warm front does lift through for this morning into the afternoon, temperatures get back into the 60s, dew points into the mid-50s. So we have that moisture, we have some spring-like warmth, and just enough energy and lift to get these storms going. So here's the noon hour. We're seeing some of these stronger storms working their way in, starting from the west, moving to the east. This first round of storms may contain some large hail there, some heavy rainfall as well, and even some damaging wind gusts. And if there is enough spin, the possibility of some tornadoes. From there, we'll see a couple different rounds, probably one in the mid-afternoon. So there's a little bit of a line trying to develop. I think the main event will come more so right around 5 o'clock with this line of storms that will make its way in. So this will have the potential for damaging wind gusts and some embedded tornadoes within that line. You'll see it starting around 5 o'clock in our western counties. Might try to fall apart and then reinitiate itself. And you're seeing how it's broken up here just a little bit. So kind of a supercellular nature there, which would give us that potential for maybe some tornadic activity as that line comes through. And we'll see it working from west to east through the evening hours as we work our way towards 9 or 10 p.m. It's in our eastern counties. Should be weakening by that point, but still the potential to be quite strong. Then after 10 p.m., it's all out of here. That being said, we're going to see this cold front come through. Temperatures cool down pretty quickly. There's going to be a brief chance for a wintry mix in our northern counties late tonight. No accumulation expected there. And then our skies will start to clear out as we work our way through Sunday. Here's a look at those winds. This is not associated with thunderstorms. These are just the general winds. Today coming in from the south, gusts around 40 miles per hour. So that's bringing us into the 60s with the higher dew points as well. Once the storms pass by, wind shift to the west. We're tracking gusts that could be up to about 45 miles per hour with sustained winds 15 to 30. So a wind advisory will go into effect at 6 p.m. and will continue through early Sunday morning. Again, these are winds that will not be associated with the thunderstorms. You'll see a severe thunderstorm warning for that or a tornado warning if there is tornadic activity. This is just a general wind field, so gusts quite high. You could see loose objects flowing around. Difficulty driving, possibly some power outages, and maybe some damage to some weak tree limbs as well. Winds will die down throughout tomorrow morning. So putting it all together, high temperatures today, 50s in the north, low to upper 60s in the south. So yes, it's feeling a lot like spring. You'll notice a bit of humidity in the air, but then of course those spring-like storms popping in here this afternoon and this evening. So stay weather aware. Have your modes of alerts there as far as your Storm Track 7 weather app, your weather radio ready to go. And of course, we'll cut in on TV if we do have any warnings issued. Tonight, temperatures are down to the upper 20s and low 30s. So storms push out, maybe a brief wintry mix in the north. Pretty windy. City by city forecast here. We're down to the low 40s for highs tomorrow, as skies will be partly to mostly cloudy. Then that chance for a bit of snow Sunday night into Monday, especially Monday morning. The further south you go, the higher the chance for accumulating snow will be. I think south of Highway 30, maybe 2 to 4 inches. North of Highway 30, more so a trace to 2 inches. So not a huge snowstorm coming through, but enough to cause some issues with temperatures in the 30s on Monday. We're back to the mid-40s Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll see some melting with plenty of sunshine. Maybe another system coming through there Thursday into Friday with a chance for rain and snow. Temperatures cool down quite a bit. A high of 21 on Friday with lows down to the single digits heading into next weekend.